Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. Today we are here to revise our first lesson, that is Kingdom of Rivers. Shall we? Yes. In the ancient period, people started living along the river banks. They produced agricultural crops, they reared cattle in the pasture lands. In this way, kingdom of early Chera, Chola and Pandya emerged along the rivers. Cheras emerged on the river bank of Poigai, Cholas on the river bank of Kaveri and Pandyas on the river bank of Vaigai. Cheras were the forerunners of Moovendargal, who ruled on the banks of river Poigai. Their capital was Vanji, which is also called as Tiruvanchikulam. The Chera country comprised of the present western districts of Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Nilgiris and also part of Kerala. The Chera country was called as Cheranadu. These Cheras ruled with bow and arrow as a symbol and Tondi and Musiri as their major port. Udayan's son, King Imayavaramban Neduncheraladan, through his grit and determination, was responsible for making the Cheras one of the most powerful kingdom in the south. King Imayavaramban ruled for 58 years and won multiple battles and wars. He was hailed with the title Imayavaramban because it was believed that his invasion continued till Himalayas. And his son Cheran Senguttuvan erected the statue of Kannagi by the stones brought from Himalayas by defeating the king Kanagavijaya. This can be understood from the epic Silappadigaram, written by Ilango Vadigal, brother of Cheran Senguttuvan. And the book Paditru reveals the Chera dynasty. Next, let's try out the questions. First question is, who was the greatest king of Cheras? It's Imayavaramban Neduncheraladan. Okay, next. Name the epic wrote by Ilango Vadigal. It's Silappadigaram. Okay, next let's move on to the Cholas. The early Cholas kept Urayur as their capital along the river Kaveri and ruled it. Urthirankannanar of Kadayalur in his Pattinappalai describes that Cholanadu is famous for rice. The Chola kingdom comprised the districts of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Pelambarur, Ariyalur and Kadalur districts. The land of Cholas was fertile due to the river Kaveri. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karikala Cholan. At a very young age, he disguised as an old man and tactfully justified a case. He built Kallanai, the grand Anaikat, across the river Kaveri. This dam still stands erected even after 2000 years of its construction. Thus, Cholas ruled on the bank of the river Kaveri with the capital Urayur, and Kaveri Pumpattinam was their port and their flag was inscribed with tiger. Okay, next let's look at the questions. First one, who was the greatest Chola king? It's Karikala Cholan. Next, name the capital and port of Cholas. Its capital is Urayur and port Kaveri Pumpattinam. Next we move on to Pandyas. Pandyas established their rule on the bank of Vaigai with Madurai as their capital. The ancient Pandya country comprised of Madurai, Theni, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. And Madurai remained most popular for its pearls. Muttamil Sangam were held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. During the rule of Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. Kovalan's wife, Kannagi, advocated to prove her husband's innocence. When the king realized the truth, he said, Yano Arasan, Yane Kalvan, and died by falling down from his throne. This incident is clearly described in an epic called Silapadigaram. Thus, Pandyas ruled on the riverbank of Vaigai with Madurai as their capital and Korkai as their port and fish as their flag. Let's move on to the questions. Which Pandya king was mentioned in an epic called Silapadigaram? It's Pandyan Nedunchezhiyan. Okay, next. Which is the capital of Pandyas? It's Madurai. Hope it's clear. Okay, children, don't forget to send your homework. Write it neatly. Jazakallahu khaira. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.